In this tutorial, we will see that how you can change phone number on Google account in just few steps. So let's dive in. So firstly, I will open Chrome. If you are using iPhone, you can open your Safari browser and search for Google. Then you will be on Google and the right top side, you will find here your profile picture. You have to click on that and then you have to select account where you want to change a number. And if you click on this little arrow, you will be able to select accounts. So I have already selected and I will click on this manage your Google account. Then it will open this window of Google account and you will be on home. You have to click on this profile info, and in profile info, if you scroll down, you will find your phone numbers here right below on contact info. Then you have to open it. After opening this, it will show you all numbers that link to your account now. To change number, simply open number and here it will show you this pencil and this bin option. If you click on this pencil, it will show here this update number. On the bottom side, you will find this update number. Tap on that and select your number and click on this delete and remove number. After removing it, it will show you to add new number. Click on add now and here you can enter your number and click on next. So that's how you can change phone number on Google account in just few steps.